SpeedTrader Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to SpeedTrader are in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's get straight to the review. SpeedTrader is a trading platform designed for active and professional traders looking for speed, precision, and advanced features. This tool caters primarily to day traders, swing traders, and high-frequency traders who need fast execution and comprehensive trading tools. With access to direct market routing, real-time market data, and a wide range of order types, SpeedTrader offers a powerful solution for those who are serious about trading. One of its standout features is its low-latency order execution. SpeedTrader connects directly to the exchanges, which helps eliminate delays in trade execution, a critical feature for traders who rely on quick entry and exit points. It also offers customizable hotkeys, allowing users to execute trades with a single click, improving efficiency and speed. This feature is particularly useful for professional traders who need to manage multiple trades at once or act quickly on market changes. Another strength of SpeedTrader is its wide variety of trading tools and platforms. It supports multiple platforms, including the SpeedTrader Pro platform and external platforms like Think-or-Swim and Interactive Brokers, providing flexibility to traders. You get access to advanced charting tools, real-time market scanners, and the ability to trade a wide range of assets, from stocks to options and even futures. Additionally, SpeedTrader offers margin accounts, allowing traders to leverage their positions for higher returns. However, SpeedTrader is not for beginners. The platform's advanced tools and complexity can be overwhelming for new traders who are just getting started. Also, its fee structure may be a bit higher compared to traditional discount brokers, particularly if you're trading smaller volumes, so it may not be the most cost-effective choice for casual investors. In summary, SpeedTrader is a great choice for professional traders or anyone serious about day trading who needs fast execution and advanced tools. If you fit that profile, check the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights.